Alright, this is an explanation of the travel brochure research. This will all be used to make a travel brochure in the coming weeks. What you'll need to do is you're going to have to pick 3 cities anywhere in the world. It can be in the United States, it can be in Canada, it can be in Europe, whatever you want. You just need to identify 3 different cities somewhere in the world. In those 3 cities, you're going to need to do some research and identify 3 activities that you would actually want to do. Okay, don't pick somewhere up in Canada and go watch a knitting competition. You're not going to want to do that, so don't do it. You will have to do some research using the internet to find activities. Very easy way to do that. You just go to Google, type in a city you want to go to. So I'm always want to go to Atlanta. Put in Georgia. Or how about I spell that right? That's going to help. And put activities, or you could even do things to do. Okay? And you can see it's already given me a lot of different points of interest. I could go visit the Brave Stadium. I could go to the CNN Center, which is actually really cool. I've been there before. If you want to go to the theater, if you want to go to the aquarium, you could go to where they make Coke, visit the 96 Olympic Park. There's even 50 fun things to do in Atlanta. All you have to do is find 3 things that you want. So going back to the OneNote, the way you're going to plot all these, and actually for each activity you need to have a picture too, but you're going to pick either a PowerPoint, an Excel document, or you could do it in Word as a travel brochure. So you'll see each of these 3 are basically set up the same. They all have the same information, they just look a little different. So the Word document, you can even open up this Word document and save it directly into your OneNote. You would put in your first city, then you can make a numbered list, put your activities. So that you could see here, New Zealand, Auckland, go rafting, insert an online picture, hike to Mordor, see a rugby match, okay, and then you would have to do pages for cities 2 and 3 below that one. You could do the same thing. Write your city in here. What's one activity? What's another activity? What's a third activity? And then insert online pictures of all of those. Again, all you would have to do here is open it up like this. Atlanta, our travel research for PowerPoint. PowerPoint seems to be the most popular. Again, just pick one of these formats that you feel comfortable with and use that one. Little hint, just so you see, if you do the PowerPoint here, and I'll open up PowerPoint, what I would do to make this super easy for you is as soon as you get into whichever program you use, whether it's PowerPoint, Excel, or Word, copy the format and paste it in. See how there's only 1 slide here? Well, I need 3 slides because I need 3 cities. So I could easily just go right-click here, duplicate slide, right-click again, duplicate slide. Then all I have to do is pick new cities, erase this stuff, erase this content, and put in a new city. Okay, and then when I'm done, I just save it. It's going to save directly into my OneNote. I'm not going to save it now. Okay, if I use the travel or Excel version of the travel brochure, when it opens up, actually Excel is probably the easiest way to do this, simply because it's almost already set up for you. There's even a tutorial video already. I don't remember making that, but here you can see I can select what I need, right click copy, come right down here, right click paste. It's a little smaller, but you can change with that. Right click, paste, and then you can always come back in and resize the columns if you want to. Alright, and then again, it's here's city 1, we'll put Atlanta. Activity 1, go to a Braves game. Insert a picture. I can just go to insert, online pictures, wait for it to load. Type in Braves game and insert picture. And just like that, obviously I've got my picture. It's way too big, so I'm going to want to resize it down. And you can even change these margins a little bit so that it fits in there. Okay, that's an option. Save. Word. Obviously, this is getting redundant. You don't need to watch all this part because you should have figured this out by now. It's actually really, really simple project. It should not take you more than a day. But again, what I would do here, highlight everything. Oops. Let's see, I want everything. So highlight everything. Right click, copy. Then you want to hit return till you get in a new page. Oops. I might have to just go down here to the next page. If you guys haven't figured out how to do this yet, whenever you get a picture, make sure you have it set to be able to move it, text wrapping. Because then what I can do is come here and put this back. But I can come here, right click, paste. Come down again, go to the next page, right click, paste. And so now all I have to do is put in my 3 cities. City 1, City 2, City 3. That simple. And remember, you only have to do one of these 3. You do not need to do all 3 of them. Okay? Pick one, pick your 3 cities, find your activities.